guys, welcome to SF Drawing Mania. Today I am going to show you how to draw an apple step by step for a beginner. So let's get started. First, we will draw a line like this and a little curve, not that much, a small curve. Now the other side will do the same. First I am doing the apples up portion. We will make the sides circle. To make it circle, first I'll draw a line like this. First it will come like a vessel, but it's okay. Now I will make it circle like curve like this. This is already a circle of little much, so I'm leaving that. Then I'm rubbing off the straight line like this. Now for the stem, I'm drawing like this. Then the leaf. After that, we will color the whole apple using yellow oil pastels. Like this. Now we will use orange oil pastels and color till here this half of the apple like this, like a curve but bending down. Like this. And do like this. At the edges I'm coloring it like this, not curve. Top also I'm drawing like this, not curve. Now make it a little more. Now we will use yellow oil pastels and blend the orange and yellow using yellow oil pastels. We will blend it using yellow on top, coloring on top of the orange at the same shape like a curve bending down. We'll blend it like this. We should blend the orange smoothly Now we will use orange all pastels, and here I'm coloring it a little lighter because it's not a golden apple. I'm drawing a red apple lightly. Like this. Now we use yellow and blend this orange too. We will make the orange a little more darker at this edge of the middle. Now we will use red all pastels and color the red at here. And do the same at here too. Like this. Now we'll use orange all pastels and blend the red. Like this. And here we'll blend the red and the orange smooth. Now we'll use the red all pastels and make it smooth at this portion too. Like this. At here I'm making it darker as possible using red and do like this. We will use orange and make it darker at here. Like this. Now I am using dark green all pastels for the leaf of the apple like this. For the leaf, I'm doing it like this till here, and we will color here, this portion and this portion, here green and here yellow. We'll use light green all pastels and blend the two like this. Now we will use yellow at here and blend this leaf too using yellow. Now we will use dark green and make a line like this and blend the line too, and using dark green I'm making like this. And now for the stem, first I'll use dark brown all pastels and do a half like this, half of the stem. After that I'll use the other half and blend the two colors also like this. and we'll make the red a little more to the half. Like this, and blend that red too using orange. Like this. After that, last I'm shading the apple with a pencil at this edges. Deep green. ഞാൻ കുറച്ചും കൂടി red ആക്കിയിട്ട് like this. At these two edges I'm making it darker, like a circle. And I'll make it lighter and lighter to the middle. Like this. And we'll do it a little more grey at here. Like this. We'll blend the pencil shading too. Like this, making it a little more darker around here. This as well. Like this. After that, I'm erasing the pencil line. Like this. If you want, you can add a little more red to the half. Like this. Then we'll use red at this edge like this, and down too I'm using red to the color at the down portion because it's on a table or it's standing on an object. And we'll blend the down red too using orange like this. We are done. Thanks for watching. Like, share and smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So thank you.